masaya sila. Youth Love Team Chemistry Sport Award. Youth Love Team Chemistry Spark Award 2025 with Chris. And the most Youth Love Team Chemistry Spark Award 2025 Etsy. Please stay muna sa ating mga rugby picture. Okay? Kailangan lang po natin ma-explain ang ating mga awards. Of course, this is for the year 2025. Of course. Siyempre po, sa pagkakataong ito, we have engagement. Ang premiere na po ito ay nag-garnered ng impressive 125,000 live viewers. Setting notable milestone and demonstrating outstanding impact and excellence. Most viewed premiere award, Dan Joy. Also, the most views in total award, achieving the most viewed in total award, having accumulated the highest number of views across all episodes, reflecting exceptional audience reach, consistency, and overall impact. With a total of 106 million. Congratulations! Most views in total award, Job Car. Thank you. Nasa kami, Miss Jan. Thank you very much. Kaya walang pupas talaga. Carla. Grabe. Most used in total award. How does it feel? Actually, kasama na sa mga maraming nagsusupport na vloggers. Most of year 2025, marami kayong mga napasaya. At syempre, palakpakan naman natin na buo na Unite ang Dan Joy. Meron pa rin kayong na-receive na most viewed. Actually, I remember the time na pinakita sa akin ni Kuya Val yung kanyang live at kayo talaga ay humatak ng 100,000 plus viewers live. How does it feel?
Siyempre, thank you po sa nagmahal at sumuporta sa Dan Joy. Dahil sa akin na nagkaroon kami ng ganitong achievements. So, ayun, maraming salamat. Thank you so much. At kay Insang Rap, siyempre. And kay Joy, Joy.
Joy?
Very unexpected din po yung ganitong achievement ko sa amin, sa Dan Joy. Siyempre, hindi rin naman po kami makakatanggap ng ganitong award, kundi po dahil kay Kuya Rab sa mga viewers and supporters ng Dan Joy. Hello.
Thank you very much. Palakpakan naman po natin ating Kalingap Love Teams. Thank you so much. Editor goes to Shakira Matuba. awarded to Philip Raif. Next, we have Outstanding Excellence in Video Editing. Kalinga Best in Editing. Congratulations to Hana Matubang! Editing. Congratulations, Ian Ramirez. Cinematography and visual storytelling. Best Kalingap Cinematographer, Kalingap Ryan. Iba si Ryan. Best Kalingap Cinematographer, Kalingap D. Outstanding creativity and visual excellence in thumbnail design that effectively captured attention and enhanced content appeal. Best in thumbnail, Kalingap Hana. For outstanding engagement and exceptional support through active participation and generous contribution during live platforms, Super Chatted Award, Kalingap Jomar. Pala di Super Chatted Award, dapat Paldong Award. In recognition of her rising star achievement, through her remarkable talent and exceptional skill, she has made a strong impression with the Kalingap community, earned an admiration of many, inspiring others with her dedication and potential. Rising Star Award, Krista Jane Villanueva. Outstanding personal growth, positive influence, and meaningful participation. This award honors an individual who truly embodies the core values of Kalingap, having proudly presented the organization through travel of 2 countries and gained the support of numerous VIP sponsors, reflecting dedication, excellence, and inspiring impact. Beneficiary of the Year, Kalingap Carla Popular. Picture na kayo. Advocacy and action. This award honors the promotion of dignity, safety, and sustainable living for those in need. Best in Pabahay, awarded to Sam Ashley. Total of 22 pabahays. Also best in Pabahay, Kalingap Dan. Kalingap Partner, in recognition of its remarkable achievement as most viewed. Thank you. Siyempre, hindi lang ikaw ang deserve are recognized tonight. We also have here the award presented in recognition of exceptional leadership, vision, and courage in paving the way for meaningful change. This award honors a leader who serves as a guiding light to others, leading the purpose, integrity, compassion, with trailblazing initiatives that uplift communities and embody the true mission of Kalinga. Guiding Light Trailblazer Award. Palakpakan natin, Kalinga Val Santos Matuba! Congratulations po. Ngayon, proceed tayo sa ating next part of the program. Ito po yung nilook forward every year ng ating mga kasamahan sa Kalinga. Reactor of the Year is awarded to, congratulations, July Maunil, to receive the award, of course. Congratulations. Ito po ang ating final award. At ito lang, bago po itong award na ito. Para ngayon naman po itong second year ng Kalingap Ball. Okay. Ito po ang most promising Kalingap Charity Vlogger of the Year. This award is presented as a Kalingap charity vlogger who faithfully continues the true vision and mission of Team Kalingap, founded by Kuya Val. Through hard work, dedication, and a genuine heart for service, the awardee has made a meaningful impact through housing initiatives, scholarship programs, and various acts of help extended to beneficiaries to the best of their ability, embodying compassion, integrity, and commitment to the Kalingap advocacy. And yung mga nominees po natin, we have Kindred TV, Kindred, Kalingap Dan, Sam Ashley, Kalingap Alvin, Mr. Bente Boy, Kalingap Jomar, and Kalingap Edu. Again, lahat po kayo winners sa puso ng lahat. Palakpakan po natin silang lahat sa puso ng manonood, dahil ito po yung pinaka-special na award, dahil kumakatawan kayo kung ano po ang meron si Kuya Val. Ang ating most promising Kalingap Charity Vlogger of the Year ay walang iba kundi si Kalingap Edu. To present the award, we have the founder, Kuya Val Santos Matuba. Parang alam trip yata yung pinipili ko. Isa representative sa Tansawaray, Joey the Great. Actually kanina, hindi ko alam, Joey the Great pala yun. Sabi nila Joey the Great. Naiintindihan ko, taga-Samar pala sila. Nasa po si Joey the Great. Ikaw ba si Joey? Magtawag kasi nung gusto mo yung tatawag. Ito si Madam. Madam, sayang ang mga pakalay-kalay mo. Dito ka. Ayan. Kasi ang premyo galing din sa'yo, ha? Hi! Kaya pa ba? Usog po tayo. Ito po ang pinakahihintay ng lahat. Ano kaya ang mga ipapagawa natin sa mga bisitang ito? Una sa lahat, bigyan po natin ng masigabong palakpakan. Gusto ko din palakpakan na may hinyawan. Huwag na. Aray naman. Oh, madam. Out ka na agad? Nararamdaman ka? O, sagot tayo. Sige, matiin mo muna ang lahat.
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year sa lahat. Ang kami. Buhay.
Dapat yung energy. Madam, batiin mo ang lahat.
Hi everybody! Good evening and Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year!
Grabe yung energy, madam. Oo. Parang WhatsApp madlang people lang tayo. Oh, ano, batiin mo sila.
Hello mga kalingap, mga kapinatik sa akin dyan! Shoutout sa inyo lahat.
Oh. Parang, ano pala to? Best in intro sa vlog, di ba? Ibigay mo yung best intro mo sa vlog mo pag nagbablog ka. Ano, batiin mo sila. Aray ko, paldo! Yan ba yung mga intro mo? Ikaw naman yung mga intro mo. Oh.
Merry Christmas po sa inyong lahat at Happy New Year po!
Merry Christmas! Wala na akong kwenta kang dyan. Madam, batiin mo na lang po, Taray, Best in Filipiniana Award. Galing pa, saan pa kayo galing?
California.
California. Umuwi. Batiin mo po ang mga viewers at ang ating Team Kalinga.
Good morning, America! Merry Christmas and Happy New Year!
Batiin mo sila sa intro mo.
Wala ko na akong intro.
Oh, ano sasabihin mo na? Batiin mo.
Ako ba din si Kuya Bal? Kuya Bal, Merry Christmas!
Ang dami ng tao dito si Kuya Ban. Bukas, bash ka. Charot lang. Oh, batiin mo pare.
Hello, shoutout mga kanina, Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao! Hello, shoutout sa lahat ng viewers natin!
Yun ang gusto ko. Lakas mo ka Kuya Will. Diba? Kumakahos. Oh, intro, pakilala.
Binabati ko ang lahat. Mabuhay kayo hanggang gusto nyo.
Oh,
Shoutout mga kalingap! Happy New Year sa inyong lahat!
okay, sige. Madali naman po ang gagawin natin. Tuturuan ko lang kayong magbilang. Bilangan tayo.
1,
2,
3, 4,
5,
6,
7, 8, 9.
10.
Very good. Palakpakan naman natin. Magagaling magbilang. Ngayon, magbibilang tayo ng hindi binabanggit ang number 3, number 6, at number 9. Tuloy-tuloy po ang bilang pero hindi babanggitin ang lahat ng numero na may number 3, 6, 9, 13, 16, 19, 23. Lahat yan ay papalitan ng ungol. Halimbawa, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8. Ganun lamang po. Practice tayo. Ready?
1,
2,
5.
Wala pa. 7. 6 na kasi siya. 7. Ulit. 7. 8.
9.
May nadangog, Rudy. Pag 9, anong sasabihin?
I don't know.
Oh, English. Okay. For you to able to understand, you need to moan. Instead of saying 3, 6, 9, you need to... Sample? Grabe, ang keyboard. Very social. Meron na kagating lupon. Okay. Practice ulit. Go!
1,
2, 4,
5.
7, 8. Very good. Eto na, kung kanino mo itatapat ang mic, dapat attentive tayo. Ready, get set, go! 1, 2, 1, 4. 4 na yun. Oh, last chance. Last chance na ito ha. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Matagas ang payo. Out. Mali. Maray pa ini mo. Magaling. Doktor lang. Wag. Ah, one pala. Balik. Very good. Ready. Go. 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, out! Ay, ba yun? Wala gusto ko. Ay, ba gusto? Doon ka na sa kapag mo. Sa pa! 2, 4, 7, 10,
11.
12! Dapat ako ka, wala pa nga? 1, 2, out! Steady! 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 11, 12, 15, 17, 18. Idol kita. Magaling mahurat ka. 1, 2. Wala. Manchi sayang. Out siya. 1, 2. Ano po, madam? Ano? 1, 2, 4, 7, 8, 11, 12, 14, 15, 18, 19. Andiyan kapatid. No, you are such an exceptional, perfect. Ha! 1, 2, 4. Out, Anarita. Magaling ka, madam, ha? Ha! 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 11, 12. Would you like to greet everyone? What is your... Ha?
Amanda,
Batiin mo na muna sila, ma'am.
again, good evening and thank you, Kuya Bal. Thank you, Kuya, for everything that you done for our community. I am so honored and humbled. I come from Sydney, Australia to participate this event. I am Joey the Great Auntie. I am very well supported to everybody of Kalinga. So thank you, and God bless everyone. Give the best and there are more to come. God bless you all. Thank you.
God bless you. Joey the Great. Get.
Hooray!
Wow, bago yun. Get, hooray! Ay, panalo na parehas. Congratulations. Magaling. Grabe, cash prize. Congratulations. Picture po.
Sama na ipagpalang na yan.
Thank you so much.
Yan na.
Pwede na po
Mana?
uwi ang inyong mga and cash prizes. Palakpakan naman. And we will begin with our best dress. Business. Krista Queen. Mang Anarita. Andiyan si Mang Anarita. Andiyan si Bridget, si Queen, si Krista, si Bian, si Joy Carla po. Nasaan? Sa kagandahan. One line po tayo, mga kaibigan. One line. Madam? Ganyan po tayo. Total naman, pinagandaan niyo yung gabi. All of you look beautiful. Alam mo yan. Iisa lang ang mukha, oh. Maganda lahat. Di ba? Carla, sisimulan mo. Irampa ang tunay na beautiful vlogger. Ladies and gentlemen, rarampa na siya sa kanyang napakagandang black silver outfit. Ladies and gentlemen. Carla Popular! Hey! Palama kaibigan. Uri, perfect. I love the moves. Carla Popular. Beyonce. Beautiful Beyonce. Queen. Uy. Wow. Krista. Joy. Bridget. Wow. Huh. Mga kaibigan, we have just witnessed the beautiful angels. Marami pong angels ang kalaban, pero isang tao po ang kanilang mahigpitang kalaban. All the way from saan nga po galing, madam? California. All the way from California, wearing a Filipiniana outfit and red dress with pink pedicure and manicure. Here she is to give us the best romp. Mga kaibigan, salubungin natin the one and only Ana Rita. Ana Rita, Ana Rita, Ana Rita, Ana Rita, Ana Rita, Ana Rita, Señorita, Ana Rita, Ana Rita, Ana Rita, Ana Rita, Señorita, Ana Rita, irampa mo, Ana Rita, Ana Rita. Alam ko tatanggalin mo yung ano. Tatanggalin mo ba?
Tanggalin.
Ay, hindi makikita yung back chest niya. Palakpakan naman po natin, Ma'am Ana Rita and the Angels. Thank you so much. Pwede na po kayo umupo muna. Vlog. Edgar, Ella, Maya.
And we would like to call on the next recipient of recognition, certificate of recognition is Millones. The next recipient will be Alivio. Another recipient is Oscar Ancero Vende. Two, Tess Arniedo de Leon.
Officers, balik kayo dito. Kailangan natin, na-overwhelm lang po ang everybody. So, kailangan po natin ng oath taking. Ayan, babasahin natin. Tawagin po natin Association of Charity Vloggers. We have here Board of Trustees, Starlux TV, Lordy TV, JP Alipio, Maria Ligaya. Auditor, Nathan Cute Vlog, Mr. JPWD, Sonia Natals, Kuya Brooks Vlog, Kuya Mel, Business Manager Maria Cusinera, Roda Mix Vlog, BIO, Red Noveno, Cruz 4 TV, Secretary Rhea Olarte, Treasurer Ate Edna Vlogs, Vice President Kalinga Prab, and the President Kuya Van Santos Matuba. Okay, together with Kuya Rap and Kuya Val. Okay, the Association of Charity Vloggers in the Philippines, or ACVP, ay founded 3 years na po ni Kuya Val. Okay, Kuya Rap, yeah, the Vice President, and the Muse. Picture pala. Okay, please raise your right hand for the oath-taking. Pangunahan po ito. Kaya,
Sige po, tayo pong lahat ay manunumpa sa atin pong sumpa. Ating pong oath taking for the newly elected officer. I state your name. Having been elected and appointed to the position of, state your position, Association of Charity Vloggers of the Philippines, ACVP, hereby solemnly promise and swear that I will conscientiously and faithfully discharge to the best of my ability the duties and responsibilities of my office, that I will uphold and defend the association's constitution and bylaws, and bear true faith and allegiance to the same, that I will obey and enforce the laws, regulations and policies of the association, that I will actively participate and support all associations' activities and programs, including those that shall benefit my association in general and the members in particular. And that finally I shall impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily and without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. So help me God.
Okay, group picture with the officers. Yan, shake hands tayo with Kuya Bal.
Eto na.
Talaga po. Sino gusto ng laptop? Sino gusto ng laptop? Malungkot kung kayo ay nabunot pero umalis. Congratulations. Siya po ay vlogger. Siya rin ay partner. Siya ay vlogger partner. Walang iba. Siya ay babae. Siya ay si Agnes Jean